देवी सत्वतै नमो नमः। भक्त्या विहीनाय अपराधलक्ष्ये क्षिप्त्वाश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयी त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नुमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। कम मोर। I first offer my Dandavat Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudevs. नितला पृष्ठ ओम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सत शिष्य भक्ति जीवन जनार्दन गोसाई महाराज। नितला पृष्ठ ओम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सत शिष्य भक्ति वेदांत नारायण गोसाई महाराज। ऑल श्री रूपानुगुरु बारगस वैष्णवस एंड वैष्णविस। सो सचिनंदन गौरहरि his essence of bhaktis. If attention to Sachin Nandan Gaur Hari से जाने भक्ति रस सार. This one, no? What call this? गौरांगेरा मधुर लीला गौरांगेरे दूती पद जार धन संपद से जाने भक्ति रस सार. So Sachinandan Gaur Hari's mercy, his lotus feet mercy, who got, who fully shelter, fully surrender, he can understand no bhakti, essence of bhaktis, limit of bhaktis. Bhakti everyone know, but they don't know what is bhakti ras, what is essence of ras. So Mahaprabhu's what teaching to Rupa Goswami, that is limit of bhaktis. After not, no one can ask, because he heard this all Tattva Siddhant from Rai Ramanand, and there also Mahaprabhu asking more, then saying only you, one personality, he can ask more, but no one before asking like that more. Because Krishna's Radhika Sarup never satisfy. Their limit of bhakti, but still their question more, there is more. Yes, more limit, but is after limit also running. Vibhurapi Kalyan Sada Vipurti, increasing. So, Sriman Mahaprabhu gave this all Siddhant understanding to Rupa Goswami. So we are hearing that teaching of Mahaprabhu, that called Rup Shiksha. So we heard so much about Bhav Bhakti, how sadhan come Bhav level, then what symptom of Bhav. साधन भक्ति हैते है रति रे उदय, रति गाढ़ हैले तार प्रेम में। प्रेम वृद्धि कर्मे नाम स्नेह मान प्रणय राग अनुराग भाव महाभाव. This everything got details, then need many years. So I want to briefly something tell about that. साधन भक्ति से heard already आदो श्रद्धा तथा साधु संग अथा भजन क्रिया नर्त निवृत्ति निष्ठा रुचि आसक्ति. That limit called to sadhan, sadhan bhaktis. Bhav bhaktis, that is sadh bhakti, because Our sad is bhav, our sad is prema. Kriti sadhya bhavet sadhya bhava. But actually last sad is prem, provision is prema, but bhav in middle came. This indicate our sadhana is okay or not. We will get prem or not. So which one reach to bhav level, that is guarantee, that is certificate, prem will come very soon. Because bhav is ray of prema. Prema is sun, then bhav is ray. Like morning before sun rising, some ray comes, some light comes, some reddish comes. By that confirm sun will very soon rise, maybe 1 hour after. So bhav means prem will come. So we are hearing the symptom of bhav. Before you heard asaktishtad gunakhyane. Too much attachment to Krishna's gunas, qualities, asaktis. This, like, who have no anartha, like Sukdev Goswami, no? He had some quality of Krishna, quickly he is attached. Parikshit Maharaj, he had something Krishna's, quickly he liked to Krishna's things. They are bhav level. Sukdev Goswami's sthiti is like Brahmabhut Prasannatma, na sochati na kanchati, samah sarvesu bhutesu. This cause, very soon, no only bhav, he run very quickly up. Prem, sane, everything came his heart. Why came? How came? Because he's too much attached to Krishna's kathas, Krishna's qualities, gunas. You had already this whole katha in this class and before also. Krishna so much gun, no? 64 Rupa Goswami is given in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. But more than that, this man telling, but Krishna's quality is unlimited, no one can count. In one qualities, 1,000 qualities enter. Krishna's one quality is good singer, good dancer, but good singers no just one type. His varieties of singing, varieties of dance, varieties of intelligence, varieties of everything. No? Any quality, there are so much varieties. So how much you can count? So men tell. So we had all this specialist Madhuri, the special quality, what not exist anywhere, only Krishna Swarup. Another qualities, one drop in Jivas, 50 qualities. Another 5 qualities, only demigods, especially Sadasiv. That is no Sada Swarup Prapta, Sachidanand Vigrah, this all no. Nit Nutan, this is something telling, no, 5. Then another 5, only Bhagavad Swarup, Narayans, Ramchandras, another avatars have. That is Anant Brahmands, no, creator, Ananta avatars, Bijas. But actually, mainly all things, this all quality base is Krishna, main is no, source is Krishna. If another Swarupas or another anywhere this quality have, that quality came from him, transfer from him, no? So Krishna Swarup what have, that go everywhere. All his avatars, and also in Jivas coming one drop. But some special things not coming Jivas, even not coming in Avtaras. That is Rup Madhuri, Lila Madhuri, Prem Madhuri, Venu Madhuri. They cannot manifest this Krishna reserve for himself, and especially they have, but not that much utkarsha. That means Rupa Goswami is saying Siddhantas all are okay, no, none different. Siddhantas tu avede api Sri Krishna Sarupayo. Sitanath, Ramanath, and Radhakant in Siddhantas Abhed, same tattvas. But Krishna is in Rasas Utkarsha. Rasen Utkristate Krishna Rupa Mesa Rasa Sthiti. Krishna's Rupas in Sarupas Krishna, this all rasa is staying. Krishna means he cannot separate his Venu Madhuri, Lila Madhuri, Prem Madhuri, Rupa Madhuri. He is in Sarupas staying. And you can see in Vrindavan, Krishna from baby to no Kishore, this all beauties, all qualities there. How is beautiful. What is Krishna? Krishna's no, like Prakash, is Dwarka, this is Purna. Mathura is Purnatam, Braja is Purnatam. But that Swarupas Mahavishnu like to see. Mahavishnu is very beautiful. Santakarang Bhujaga Sainam is no, is so peaceful, Sant. And Mahavishnu's all Leela Avtaras, all this, no, this saying Ramadi Murtisu Kala Niyamene Tishthan, Nanavatar Karod Bhuvanesu Kintu. This Kala Niyamena Tishthan, Mahavishnu's Kala, Sankarsan Karanto Sai, Garbhodasai, Payobdi Sai se Sach Jasyans Kala, Sanityananda Kharam Sarnang Mamastu. So Karanto Sai is Kala of Baldev Purva of Sankarsan. A died Kalas controlling to Leela Avtaras. Ramadi Murtisu Kala Niyamane Tishthan. So Mahavishnu's how powerful, how beautiful. But that Mahavishnu also like to see Krishna. In Purushottam Mahatma, this Purushottam saying all are hate me, went to Vaikuntha and Narayan Bhagavan welcomed to him and he took his hand catching, took to Golok Vrindavan. That time Narayan saying, I like to see that Krishna. He have special kind, special mercy. I am merciful, but he is more merciful. Aho Bhakti Jamastan Kala Kutam. He is coming this world also doing many leelas. His beauty, everything, no, intoxicate. It's all his style, very special. All Swarupas state sitting, state behaving, but his anything do always crooked. His sitting must his body, no, standing, sitting, if he walk, he talk, his everything, his parikar, all are no, not state. Tedho re tedho tirchi nazariya. Krishna sitting, but he not looking like this. Eyes somewhere, galan somewhere. इसको भजन नो जमुना टेढ़ी ग्वाल तेरे टेढ़ो गोपी तेरी टेढ़ी सब गिरिराज टेढ़ा everything which belong to Krishna all are crooked because too much prema, no, they cannot carry, so bend, they cannot proper talk, intoxicate. because there's too much prem madhuri, lila madhuri. They drinking this all madhurja, they cannot be straight. Always he knows very special way they behavior. This cause Brahma and any great personality when looking this behavior, they fail. They don't understand what is this. What is this Bhagavan's madhurjas? How he behaved to with Brajvasi. Which language they talk with Brajvasi. Brahma dictionary could not find, could not understand. Kere. Like this type, no? This mood Mahaprabhu brought some, no? This Bengal also, Kire, keman acho? Brajas like this. So this too much Krishna has, this madhuris. He already so much heard about that. So asaktista gunakhyane. This Krishna's all qualities too much, asakti, subhav coming there too much like this all kathas. Krishna all gun. How is Bhakta Vatsalya, how he behaved to with devotees. No? How attached to Jasoda mother, how attached to friends, Braja Gopis. These are Krishna's qualities. Too much. Too much madhurya. No? If 1 minute not looking to mother, then he start to Maya, Maya. In Sarupa is his mother of everyone, father of everyone. He no need anyone to support him, help him, no? Nourish to him. But madhurya, no? This is not like acting. Really Krishna's thinks someone take care me. Or who can take care me, I love her, him. Jasoda mother too much take care. Always Krishna depend to mother. Morning to evening, all food and cloth and bath and sleeping and what do not do. 80% depend to Jasoda mother. Baba's 20%. Because Krishna more belong to mother. No child more belong to mother. So mother is the first guru of child. So too much. So this all looking anyone, this madhuris, how feel? Is sometimes great personality come, Narad, Durvasa, Agastya, this type. And they are showing like Sridham, Krishna too much, no? No. Too much ahankar showing. I am this, I am that. Then Sridham's come and he took him, putting on ground and saying, who are you? And Krishna is down, nose is up, saying, I am winner, because my nose is up. Then Sridham was saying, how I can say you lost because I came your chest. That time asked some rishis, Agastya, any rishis coming, Baba, you tell who winning whom. Don't lie. That time they had a spin, no? What tell, not tell. Because they are Swarja Bhaktas. And they are Swarjas thinking who can defeat to Krishna. Krishna is very powerful. His one hair, thousand universe hanging like egg, no, many. So how much is strong? But Sridham defeat, this is not acting, this is also truth, because his prem is sak bhav is like that. Bhagavan defeating by bhav. If friend have bhav is not bigger than me, not stronger than me, this bhav, this bhakti work. By that you can defeat. But they have this full pride like that. And Bhagavan defeating by that pride, that bhav. This is the taste of Bhagavan. This is no ras of Bhagavan. So this all Madhuris, too much. Rupa Goswami too much said this all when Mahaprabhu, this teachings getting is so much explained. So this all here. Who will hear? Who got to bhav? They must, they have, this is the food. Who got prema this type, Nitsid Parikar, like Guru Vargas, when they come here, how we can recognize their special personality by this symptom. When Gurudev speak in Kartik month, this all Damodar Ashtak, this all Brajas how, this all mood, how intoxicate. It's not in body. You don't remember anything. Outside maybe look, Gurudev taking medicine, Gurudev sick, this, that, but this is no external thing for cheating to us, but it's absorbed in Swarupas. Or everyday timely coming, too much enthusiasm. This all no. They no remember who are they. Tan manaska tad alapas tad vitesta tadatmika tad gunan eva gayanto natma garani sansmar. This, when this bhav coming, this type of situation comes. Tan manaska, showing to Nitsid Parikar like gopis are no, 24-hour absorber, tan manaska. Anywhere they are sitting, but mind is not there. Maybe next to Jatila Kutila, thinking Radhika is here, but Radhika is not there. Man is with Krishna man. Tan manaska, tad alapas. When they little move here, there, they start to, Sakhis coming, start to Krishna's all pastimes, all leelas. How Krishna doing. Tad vichasta. If Krishna is not there, then they are doing rehearsal, no? Hey Krishna, how walk, how his hand putting to friend's shoulder, how he do. Are they doing like that, no? Same Krishna and each other clapping. In Ras Leela happened, when Krishna disappeared, they all, this Krishna's qualities, Leelas, they are showing. And if Krishna somewhere hidden by looking, Krishna also, what call it, shocked. How they can 100% copy to me? How the tadatma? If Pondrak, he have no bhav, too much against, but he also copy too much Krishna, too much absorber, then they hit copying, because when bhav level you come, then you can copy. This no, they are no main bhakti, gaun bhakti, no, gaun ras, but still they absorb like bhav level. Before you also heard. So if they can do like that, then who are Nitsit, who are Krishna's, no, favorable, no, anukulya, Krishna Anusilan doing, they must absorb. This is the symptom. Tad vichasta tadatmikaha. Mind, body, chitta, ahankar, all thought, everything, no? Tadatma. Tadatmika. Tadatmika means that time not this material body, mind, this all become Tat Chinmay, like Sachidanand. Outside look like material, but when absorbed to Krishna, these all qualities, Nam, Gun, Rup, Lila, Katha, that time not bhautik there. This is Sanatan Goswami Pad saying, Krishna Katha Mrita Pana Deha Daihik Vismrito Tesam Bhautik Deho Api Sachidananda Rupata. Krishna Katha Mrita Pan, drinking this nectar. Krishna Katha, Krishna's pastimes, Krishna's qualities. That time forget Deha Dahik. No remember to body or no remember to relating of body. House, money, family, this, that. Not remember. Only remember to Krishna. Because Krishna's remember what is happiness, what is taste, ras. This is our goal, no? Another thing what to need. Because we know fully absorb Krishna, this could we need to another ras, another taste. We need to some nice house, nice, this facility, everything. But when soul in Swarupas absorbed to Krishna, that time no need anything. You have but cannot remember this big taste. At that time this all become transcendental. Because when absorbed like this temple, if anyone anywhere making Krishna's temple, their Thakurji, then that is not material world. This is Golok Vrindavan. So everything transcendental. So if their attachment, to your temple, attachment to anything, that attachment to Krishna. Because all are Krishnamaya, all are Sachidanand. So they attach to everything become like that. Tad gunane va gayanto natma garani samsmar. It's always thinking Krishna's qualities, gun, pastimes. Natma garani. Sometimes they how much absorb, they no remember even own self. Tanmay means just thinking Krishna. Only Krishna exists, I am not existing. They exist, they have Sarup, but they cannot remember own self. This is called Advait Siddhi. Advait Siddhi means not like I become Brahma, because Jiva cannot become Brahma. This is thinking like that. Brahma is Brahma, Jiva is Jiva. No, they as much merge, but still they separate. No. But this is one ahankar. I become Brahma. इसको many acharyas saying, Maya bas parchan jiv hoi ki is saman. Jiva as much can be bigger, but always he stay in Jiva level. So gopis, Tanmay likes, I am Krishna, but they not become Krishna. They have own Swarup separate. But own Swarup no remember, Krishna Swarup remember. Own self forget. Forget, but still taste coming. No, Swarup is there, I know remembering, but things there. If they will fully lost, fully merge, then who will taste to whom? Taste coming, but own self no remember. This is one level, one stage coming premise. Divyunvad, this situation, that time this step coming. But Swarupa is there too. But two become one. Myself no remember, only you. Only you, but you are also there, but no finding where I am. But must be there. This is called one type siddhis, Advait Siddhi. Na so Raman, na ham Raman. It's very highest things. But this all coming by this Krishna's relation. One have this type of relation, doing sadhan bhajan, then this type come. This is the siddhis. Is called one type is two type siddhi. One is Swarup Siddhi, one is Vastu Siddhi. As Swarup Siddhis, own self Siddha, then Vastu Siddhis, Krishna Siddhi. So bhav level means Swarup Siddhis. Swarup Siddhi means guarantee we will get Vastu Siddhis. What is Vastu, Vastu, Vastu? That Krishna's must come one day our hand. Like Bilvamangal Thakur, he catch to Krishna in bhav level. But Krishna go away, full hand. But Bilvamangal Thakur said, no problem, how long you will run? I will catch you. So he is intoxicated in Vrindavan, running here to there. And too much, this bhav level, what is telling, all this Vrindavan's qualities, Krishna's qualities, many, many things is said. So this symptom of bhav bhaktas. आसक्तिस्तद गुणाख्याने प्रीतिस्तद बस्ती स्थल इत्यादयानुभव सुजात भावांकुरे जन. So we so much heard about gun, now little heard about asaktishtad basti sthale. Krishna where stay, that areas, stay to that area, that devotee is too much attached to that area. This is symptom of bhav. This is naturally. We love whom, we like that area stay, then everything easy, I stay somewhere, and I love whom, he stays somewhere, then very difficulty to darshan, talk, many things to share, Dadati partigrhnati guhyam akhyati prichati bhungte bhojate chaiva. The symptom of prema, sadvidhi priti lachnam. How possible? Very easily. Where Krishna stay, we should also stay there. And Krishna always stay in Vrindavan because his house, his dham, his place. He is declaring, Vrindavanam paritajya pad mekam na gacchati. Originally Krishna never leave Vrindavan. If someone go Mathura Dwarka, that is different Krishna. That is Jaduvansis, who took birth in Jadu dynasty. Mahaprabhu very clear Siddhanta said to Rupa Goswami, don't take out Krishna from Brajas. Because in Puranas, some praises this proof. Krishna anno Jadu Sambhuta Jastu Gopendra Nandana Vrindavanam Paritajya Padamekam Nagacha. So which gullies Krishna is not staying, I don't want to stay that gully also. I don't want to go to that area also. So Krishna, this gully, Seva Kunj gully too much like. Because in Vrindavan, is Seva Kunj very famous place. Here Krishna's very secret Leela. Here showing Krishna's too much love to Radhika. That is proof of Singar Bhatt. Many gopis Krishna not care and came with Radhikas and they are decorated. Still Radharani's man not going, then too much lamenting. This Seva Kunj, holding hand like this. So where Krishna stay, that area too much attached, asaktis, pritis, too much love to that place. Pritis tad basti sthali. Especially Krishna's whole Braja Mandal, he has some pastimes. So this all area we love. गौर अमर जे सब स्थान करल भरमन रंगे से सब स्थान हेरिवामी प्रणयी भगत संग. Where Krishna did Leelas in Brajas, we want to see this all areas. Where what he did. This is the symptom of love, symptom of bhav. This was Rupa Goswami Pad one giving sloks. When I this way remember Krishna's all pastimes and move. Atrasit Nanda Sadma Sakatasya Atra Bhavad Bhanjanam. Here was Nand Baba's palace, Gokul, Nand Bhavan. When we go darshan, then some Brajvasis, our Gurudevs, they explaining, telling, this place, this is Chaurasi Khamba, this is Gokul, Mahaban. Here Krishna took birth, because this is Nand Bhavan. Here Jasoda mother tied to Krishna. Here Krishna broke these two trees, Jamla Arjun, Atra Bhavat, Atra Sit Kil Nand Sadma, Sakata Satra Bhavat Bhanjanam. Here Krishna destroyed to Saktasur. He was in caught form. Caught, no? Caught. Bad Cheda Karo, Dambhir Baddho, Abhuto Atra Damodar. Dam Baddur Abhu, Bad Cheda Karo Api, Dambhir Abhut Baddho Atra Damodar. Dam Bad Bhava Bad Cheda Karo. Krishna's cutting every person rope, material rope, Bhava Bandhan. We are tied by Rajagun, Tamogun, Sattvagun. How long not cross this all rope, how can reach to Krishna? So Krishna Bhakti is cutting this all gunas, all rope, all tightness. But here very surprise, who Krishna's destroyed to material bondage, that Krishna's bound by Jasoda mother. So here happened, this Jasoda Dam Bandhan Leelas, Damodar Dam Bandhan. Why Damodar's stomach mother tight? Because too much butter is there, no? Too much eating. So when we hear like this, how much love comes, no? This all leelas coming in mind. Give too much absorb, too much affection. That many know this bhav coming. Place is too powerful. What your bhav have, this will manifest. Because there, Krishna's lila all varieties, on which what nature, what sarupas, that match. If some Basal Ras when hearing this mood, that time his mind also coming. Oh mother, I also like help you. This naughty boy, when you tired, I also bring for you rope. Where Basal Ras, then they feel no take to side of mother. Is Krishna too much making to tiredness to mother. Alone mother too much getting problems. So I also support to that mother. Tied to Krishna. This give one intoxicate, no? Some Sakras mood he also finding, oh Krishna fully tired, then nicely I can play with you, you cannot run here there. And what you need, I can help you. That time anything you need, any guli danda, anything I can bring and play with you. Like all milking on mood. So here happened, Bad Cheda Karo Api Dambhir Baddo Atra Damodar. Itham Madhur Birdha Bhaktra Bigalita Piyus Dharam Pivan Ananda Sudhara Kadad Madhupurim Dhanyas Charisyamaham. Itham Mathur Birdha Bhaktra Bigalita Piyus Dharam Pivan. Some Mathuras devotees, bhaktas, Gurudev stay in Mathura mostly. So mouth of Gurudevs, mouth of Brajvasis, this all nectar flow we will drink. Itham Mathur Birdha Bhaktra Vigalita Piyusa Dharam Pivan. These all kathas like river of nectar, Piyusa Dhara, flow of nectar, and drink by ear. As much you like drink, no shortage. So when I will drink this all nectar, this all pastimes. Itham mathur birdha bhaktra vigalita piyusa dharam pivan ananda srudhara. When too much drink, then one intoxicate come. Anand. When drunkard too much drinking, become intoxicate. This ordinary intoxicate make like that. Ordinary, what call? Drink make like you intoxicate. Then transcendental drink what will do? So when I drink this thing, then happy come, anand. What is symptom of anand? When too much anand coming, then people cry, tears come, start to dance, start to rolling. What is doing, you don't know. You can see, no? People too much drink, then even he don't know dance, but he still do. Too much drink, even you don't know any dance, but this drink make you dancer. No, I don't know, but he must dance. Anyway, on what he dance, that is right. So in prema, when hearing this all katha, on what you doing in this love, and Krishna like that. Or this prem make you perfect. Because prem is very powerful. You don't know dance, but he will teach you how to dance. Your feet go perfectly. You sing perfectly. And everything do perfect. Because bhav is conscious. Gyan Swarup. Where bhav coming, there everything coming. Where bhakti coming, there everything coming. So saying when this all katha I will hear, then too much tears come, ananda srudhara kada, crying. And this all Madhupuri. Madhupuri means not just Mathura, no. Madhupuri means Brajamandal. When I will move this all Brajas, 84 course, Dhanyas Charisyamaham, when my dad they come, fortunate, auspicious day, which day I can move this all areas. Moving that devotees, no like to live. When bhav come, this person no like to live brothers. Nishtha no dham nishtha. Absorb. For dham nishtha too much, no. In Vrindavan Mahima Mir, many books. Every book something you find. Bhagavatam, Radha Sudha Nidhi, Vidagd Madhav Natak, or any Goswami's Grantha, some slok, some kathas there can find how can you stay in dham, how love to dham. In bhajan, somewhere is this all find. Like what is called? Gauda Braja Jane Vedana Dekhi wo hai wo Braja Vasi. Dhamere Swarupa Spure Nayane hai wo Radhare Das. This bhajan you can find dham nishtha. Gaurangare duty part there also dham nishtha. Sri Gauda Mandala Bhumi Jeva Jane Chintamani Tar hai Braja Bhume Vas. So in song, in many Goswami Granthas, some percentage of kathas for dham nishtha. Love to dham, affection to dham. Brihad Bhagavata Myth, many places you can see dham. Because if hearing to dham kathas, dham this all sweet pastime, then you love to that place, naturally. Uddhav, When came Braja, he is thinking, what I will do there? Because my friend's not there. I love to Krishna. Krishna is my friend. But Krishna some days, for some days, sending to me Brajas. But I cannot live 1 second to Krishna. But order of Krishna, this have to follow. Like Rupa Goswami is saying to Mahaprabhu, why you tell me I can come with you because I cannot leave your feet. Chaditane pari mui tomar. Then Mahaprabhu say, your duty to follow my word. You came very close, you go to Vrindavan. Because Prayag to Vrindavan closer. So Uddhav too much love to Krishna. And sometimes would have said to Krishna, oh Krishna, I cannot 1 second leave your feet. Naham chanardyapi taktum utsahe. I cannot tolerate 1 second. So Uddhav thinking, what I will do in Braja? There is Krishna's nothing. But when he came, on hearing Krishna's this all past time, what did Krishna in Braja, many kathas, oceans of kathas, that time Uddhav forget Mathura, forget Krishna, everything. This Mathura's Krishna no remember. And too much absorb this place. Saridban Gri Droni Mutandruman Krishnan Sansmaryan Reve Haridaso Brajokasam. Any pond like Mansi Ganga, Man Sarovar, Kusum Sarovar, Radha Kund, Syam Kund, many pond, no? Many river. Which river, which pond, how much Krishna did Leela? Who can count? How many types he did Leela? Hidden, what called hidden secret? What hidden? Hidden? No. Close. Hide and seek. So any pond, Krishna inside go like crocodile. And how many friends pulling hand and feet on how type did Leela, no? When Uddhav hearing this all kathas, then he shocked, saying Krishna's Mathura so sober. If someone 100 times is speaking, then one word, okay, don't do that, bas. Very, no, like big boss, no? Not too much speaking. But here is telling Krishna is different. And this make too intoxicate. Why this doing Krishna? Because Krishna too much love to Brajavasi. This all. This one slok, no? गोपात मजे चरिते विडम्बयन रेमे रमा लालित पाद पल्लवो ग्राम्य सम ग्राम बदि सचेष्टितम एवं निगूढ़ आत्मगति स्वमाया गोपात मजे चरिते विडम्बयन सुखदेव गोस्वामी से एवं निगूढ़ आत्मगतिम स्वमाया जोग मायास cover to Krishna. Make him like one cowherd boy, ordinary boy cowherd, son of Nand Baba, Jasoda Mother. And he is behaving Brajvasi like one village boy, Gramya Badis Grama Chestika. Gopat Vacha, Reme Rama Lalit Pada Pallave Gramya Samam. Just cause when Krishna taking bath in pond, too much quarrel with friends, too much water taking mouth or own mouth water putting to friend mouth. A friend also not less than Krishna. If Krishna one time doing, then the 2 time doing. Again he will put like that. And they defeat to Krishna. This all Uddhav's many things hearing. And looking this all places, Sarid, Ban, Giri, Droni, Brajvasi, Brajgopis are saying, no one inch place, what called? No one inch place is empty where Krishna not did Leela. So everywhere no full Brajas, where you can say here not Krishna did anything. Up place, down place, hidden place, open place, any place. Water, mountain, pond, cave. Where Krishna not going? Where not he did? गोकुल के गिरारन में, खादर कछारन में, सरिता सरधारन में ठौर कौन बच्चो है। मरकट के मोरन में, गोधन के ग्वालन में, बालन में, लालन में खेल जो न रचो है। बंसीवट डारन में, करीरन की भारन में, सुख पिक मजारन में कृष्ण नाम मचो है। चेतन की कौन कहे गिरी की पसानन में, कृष्ण पद चिन्ह प्रेम पद पद खचो। एवरीवेयर, गोकुल के गिरारन में, any what call hole, Krishna also there doing lila. Sometimes also going inside hole, hide, anything do no. Any khadar, any down area like Jamnas area, down side. खादर कछारन में, सरिता सरधारन में, फ्लो ऑफ जमुना, फ्लो ऑफ any river, any pond, there also he did lila. Nauka lila, this many, no boating, this, that. So no any empty place. सरता सरधारन में ठौर कौन बच्चो है। मरकट के मोरन में, कृष्ण sometime playing with monkey, sometime playing with peacock, कुकुस, all animals. मरकट के मोरन में, गोधन में with cows, with calf, with गोपस, गोपीस, ग्वालन में, बालन में, लालन में ठौर कौन बच्चो है। मरकट के मोरन में, गोधन के ग्वालन में, बालन में, लालन में जो खेल न कियो। Any trees, any creeper, any stone, any mountain, where Krishna not reach. बालन बंसी वट डारन में, करिल के भारन में, सुख पिख मजारन में कृष्ण नाम मचो। Everywhere they are witness, yes, Krishna came here, Krishna did here lila. Vrindavan go and Brajas, any trees, any creepers, any areas, any stone, any pond, any water, any river, anyone you ask, Krishna here did something or not? Everyone says yes, so much did Krishna here. So this is that place, no? इसका प्रबोधन पाल सिंह, डोंट लीव दिस प्लेस। राधा करावचित पल्लव बल्लरी के, राधा पदांक विलसन मधुर स्थली के, राधा जसोर मुखमत खगा बली के, राधा बिहार विपने रमतांग मन। दिस सेवा कुंज, निधुवंश, बैंक ऑफ जमुना, दिस एरियास, एवरी creepers, any plants, any tulsis, any rose, any marigold, any बेली, चमेली, जूही, चंपा, varieties of no flowers, varieties of creepers, varieties of many trees, no? It's all rather in take care. राधा करावचित पल्लव बल्लरी के, every pallav, every plants, every creepers, rather in touching own hand. Too much giving affection. This cause they are so green, so happy. If rather in herself take care, how happy. Herself she putting water, herself she looking, touching leaves, touching plants, and by her touch they are so happy. They are thinking this is the puja of me. Rather than if give one glass of water or if little touch, then this all creepers thinking rather than is no honoring, respect. This is called archan, no. So Radha Karabchit, Pallav Ballari, how they are fortunate. Why Radha is so much take care? Because from them take Radha in many flowers, many sevas things for Krishna. This because she take care. She also teaching to us, because what is great personality doing? follower also following like that. Radharani no need to do this all. She is Maharani, but she herself doing, because she pride, I am servant of Krishna. That mood going everywhere. I am servant of Krishna, then all thinking, if my Radhika is mood like that, then who are we? We also servant of Krishna. So this is nature of Guru. Rather is Krishna's service Guru. So she herself feeling very low, very small. She is thinking all are doing seva, I am not doing any seva. So I need to do seva. So she take care to them. Oh, you too much giving flowers, too much giving leaves, too much going to Krishna service, like Tulsi Devi, Tulsi Maharani. Her manjari, her leaves, everything, every day go too much Krishna seva. Without her, Krishna is not seva. So rather than thinking you are more fortunate, you too much doing Krishna seva. So okay, I also give one glass water to you. Also take care. In Pragat Lila, rather than coming here, she following, she too much honoring to Tulsi, too much following to Ekadasi, all limbs of bhakti. Ekadasi also folding hand, oh Devi, no need to do. You just glance to me, I can purify whole world by your mercy. What need to do Ekadasi? Why take care to me? I take care to you. But for sadhak, how we will understand, how we can do our sadhan bhajan? She herself in Pragat Leelas, every day putting Tulsi's water and ghee lamp, doing pujas, also following Ekadasi, many rule regulations. Like Mahaprabhu when came, is Bhagavan, no Radha, Bhavaduti, Subalitam, Nome Krishna Sarupam. So Mahaprabhu what not doing? Morning time, after chanting Harinam, this one glass water putting. Tulsi Devi is every day, no? Niyam. And also doing pranam, Vrindaye Tulsi Devi Priyaye Kesavasya Krishna Bhakti Parde Devi Satvatai Nam. So Radha Karavchit Pallab Ballari ke Radha Padank Bilasan Madhura Sthali ke Radha Jasur Mukhamat Khaga Bali ke Radha Bihar Bipne Ramtang Manu. So this all katha we will hear. This is unlimited kathas. Also next Wednesday's Radhastami coming. So this all we will hear. So Pritistad Basti Sthale in Vrindavan, too much love affairs. For Vrindavan, how to love, this all thing you want to know, then read Vrindavan Mahima Mirtan, all Goswami's Granthas. Many words you can find, how love to Vrindavan, how life to Vrindavan. That idea you can get. So much there mentioned. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhu bhayevacha patitanang pavnebhyo vaishnavibhyo. Hari Hari Bas ki basuriya, Basuri Madhava bajai, Radhe Radhe bajat basuriya, Basuri Radhe Radhe gai, Radhe Radhe bajat basuri, Basuri Radhe Radhe gai, Prema Vivala Madha, Dharni Lotat Akula, Daras बिना है श्री राधिके मुको कछु नाही भा प्रेम बिहवल माधव धरनी लोट कुलाय दरस बिना है श्री राधिके मुको कछु नाही भाई राधे राधे बजत बांसुरिया बांसुरी राधे राधे गाय राधे राधे बजत बांसुरी भूले संग सखा और भूले बछड़े गाय कौन कौन में तात मत प्रिय भाई भूले संग सखा और बछड़े गाय, कौन हूँ कौन मेरे तात मात प्रिय भाई। राधे राधे बजत बांसुरिया, बांसुरी राधे राधे गाय, राधे राधे बजत बांसुरिया। राधामय श्री माधव, माधवमय श्यामा राय। दर्शन जुगल मिलन के, सखी गण आनंद मनाए। राधामय श्री माधव, माधवी मय श्यामा राय। दर्शन जुगल मिलन के, सखी आनंद मनाए। राधे राधे बजत बांसुरिया, बांसुरी राधे राधे गाय। राधे राधे राधे, राधे राधे बजत बांसुरिया, बांसुरी राधे राधे गाय। राधे राधे राधा मैं श्री माधव, माधवी मैं श्यामा राय। दर्शन जुगल मिलन के, सखी आनंद मनाए। राधे राधे बजत बांसुरिया, बांसुरी राधे राधे गाय। भानु अंजन राधा रानी, राधा नाम श्रवण सुख पाए। जय राधे श्री राधे, राधे 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 गाय। जय राधे श्री राधे, राधे राधे राधे, राधे राधे बजत बांसुरिया, बांसुरी राधे राधे गाय। भानु अंजन राधा रानी के, राधा नाम श्रवण सुख पाए। राधे राधे बजत बांसुरिया, राधे राधे राधे, राधे राधे बजत बांसुरिया, बांसुरी राधे राधे गाय। प्रेम विह्वल माधव, धरनी लोटत कुलाय। दरस बिना श्री राधिके, मोको कछु नहीं भाई। राधे राधे बजत बांसुरिया, बांसुरी राधे राधे गाय। राधे राधे राधे, राधे राधे बजत बांसुरिया, बांसुरी राधे राधे गाय। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। निताय गौर हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल। निताय गौर हरि बोल, हरि बोल। श्री गौर प्रेमानंदे, श्री रूप गोस्वामी पाद की जय, सचिनंदन की जय, श्री रूपानु गुरु वर्ग की जय, श्री गुरुदेव की जय। श्री गौर प्रेमानंदे।